Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fellow. Today we're going to be working on the pattern that we cut from Unfettered Patterns, the free pattern, the free polo dress. So these are the pattern pieces that I've already cut with my fabric. So we're going to start sewing today. The reason why I have different color fabrics is because one of each was not enough. So I'm just going to start. This is the back, so I'm going to join this center back so that this can be one piece, and I'll also do the same for the bottom back so that it can also be one piece. I joined my seam using a double stitched seam. So this is how it looks. This is the front and this is the wrong side. For the front, I'm going to start with my dart here. And yes, I'm just going to sew the dart and press it. After completing the front, I'm now joining the shoulders using a French seam. So of course, for a French seam, you start with the right side. After sewing the right side, you move to the wrong side and just neaten it. So I'll just sew both shoulders on the sewing machine, press it down, and then come back and move to the next. So now we are working on the placket, the collar placket. So I have my two facings here. I'm going to, like you can see, I've already ironed them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch this one here on this fold, and then do the same with this one. So now that I've stitched here, I just pressed it down, and now I'm going to turn this to just cover this raw edge here like this, and then put it inside. Like this. So now just top stitch this part, and after top stitching that part, I'm just going to turn this again and fold it like this. See? I have top stitched there. Now for this side, I'm just going to fold it, covering the raw edges, and then place it so that it covers the bottom placket. So now I'm just going to top stitch it again here, but for this one now I have to top stitch it all the way down, fold these raw edges in, and sew it all the way down, go this way up, and do that little box on the placket. Moving on to the collar, this is how my collar looks like. So now I'm just going to stitch this first right round, leaving this bottom part so that I can join it together like this. So I just pinned the facing for the collar. I'm going to sew it right round from starting from this curve here, going down all the way to the other end, so that when I turn it, it has to look something like this. So I think I missed the footage on how to attach the collar, but you just match your collar and your neckline and you sew down your collar, and this is how it should look, and you press it. So the next stage is to join my sleeve and the sides of the dress. This is how it looks after joining the sleeve, the sides, and hemming the dress, and this is the back of the dress. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. Until next time, take care of yourself and take care of each other.